server?
Oh, it's been here for like maybe 2 years. I
I haven't
don't
been invited. You cuck!
know. Listen,
I'm just kidding.
the server mainly started for like me, Clinton, and Gabe.
Who are all these people? They better be 409 people, not some random Michigan freaking people like Caleb put in.
Yeah, right. Who were those?
Well, it started off with me, Gabe.
That's like Patrick. Who are you people?
And it was like me,
Yo,
Gabe.
Davion, come to me, okay? Or not?
That's what she said.
There's a big shield. And you've been needing a big shield, and me and Emmanuel have come by 50 of them.
No,
You gonna need one. Don't be saying that.
Yeah, you're gonna like die.
Once you get pumped in the head, and then you whine. Yeah, that's what I thought, son.
can't possibly do 175 damage.
A blue pump that
Well,
can
the
do
heavy
215.
shotgun can do 192. That's the most.
Yep.
Really? I thought the pumps got real nerfed that bad?
Yep, all the shotguns.
Dude. Last time I showed a pump video of me winning, I did 212.
Where?
I've seen people with Southwest.
Where?
Southwest!
Southwest Airlines on your mama?
I'm getting on this mountain.
Yeah.
Go on the other mountain.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be someone on that other mountain. Oh my gosh! Watch out, Davion. You need those shields now?
Okay, there's a big shield. I got minis. Don't block off the other one.
Where they
Yeah.
at?
Hey,
All that loot from the manual feels
Did they
bad.
die?
If I did on the blue AR.
please give him the small
Okay.
shield pots. And a big pot.
I gave them. Dude, get the minis. And then here's a
Hey,
big
give
shield.
me some small, no, give me some small ammo.
Small ammo.
Y'all,
I need
get
a
on the
little-
mountain. Get on the mountain. We'll have circle in it.
Yo, you should get full shield and full everything.
You got small ammo? Small ammo,
You
please.
didn't take the minis? Yo, Davion, right behind you. Right behind you.
They weren't there.
Hey, give me some small shield, small ammo, please.
Davion, I didn't pick it up. I gave you like 200.
Here, I'll drop all mine.
Oh yeah, it's time to get big. Oh, just more grenades. Hell yeah, I got 7 now. Watch this, it's gonna come in useful in the last fight. Trust me.
People are Southwest.
Do you have any shots?
Shut your Southwest Airlines
Yeah, I got
Miami
it.
Heat
Got
neck
shotgun
ass
ammo.
up, boy.
Do you need rockets by any chance? Alright.
Are you trying to shoot at us? You wanna go in for the fight? Where are y'all shooting at? Actually, where is Clinton shooting at?
I almost thought I was.
You almost got it.
Hey, let's just play slowly but surely. Let the other 2 teams fight, bro. I swear, Clinton, if you get your ass sniped. Oh my gosh, he's getting lasered.
They got hard. They got You need a med kit? Who need a med?
Yo, Davion, I got shield. Really high.
Just got spraying every time to keep building.
Oh, okay, right here.
Neon, this for you.
Yes.
No, this is for you.
The minis. Did you really just take that?
Oh, shoot.
Take me
Red.
on. Take me on.
Where's the other people? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
They way out there. Oh god.
Hey. Don't fuck with them. Fuck with them up close. Okay. Make sure nobody goes down from the freaking rockets.
Can't. That's not. Can't. Can't. There was a rocket launcher. Is someone like going to? Oh my god. We really don't get zoned in.
I'm not gonna get zoned out, brother.
We should probably.
Wait, any of y'all got a launch pad?
Does anyone?
Nope.
No. Alright. Let's go, right here.
Okay.
God damn it, Gamecraft. Y'all not learn how to build before?
The game ended you? I'm dead.
Hey man, how many rockets do I have? 12. Alright,
have
I can make my
11.
shots count.
I have 11.
Okay, give me your rockets.
Come to me. Hurry.
Right in front of you. Drop two.
Or in front of us.
Right in front of you. I dropped two.
Okay. Look at this hose be.
Oh my god.
Keep drawing.
Give me those fucking clingers. I need some help though.
Got bandages.
Gracias, senor. I already have bandages.
What kind of zone is this? It's literally whoever's on the top wins.
No.
No. Don't let the zone decide your fate.
Yeah, my friend. Let traps do it. And bouncers.
Oh my god.
God.
Where? I don't even know where.
Please don't get sniped down here.
Try to do a little flanker rooney to get like this knife. As soon as I peek, I got it.
Yo, Emmanuel.
I
Not
didn't
one.
know. Kind of. How? Any shield there?
Nope. I'm sorry.
Do you need bandages?
Yeah.
Here, I have 7.
Alright. Thank you. Game ended. What?
Emmanuel, res me.
I don't need any res. I'm the big
I had like the
puppy.
luckiest shot. I was like falling down over there.
How did